What's up, guys? Since the last video, two things. First, I got my fender fixed. I posted the video of me smashing it.
Okay, back up.
And one of my local groups, a guy was like, hey man, I've got a set of Sahara fenders that I pulled off if you want them. And I said, sweet, what color are they? He said granite crystal, and I'm like, awesome. Well, I mean, I'll take them off your hand if they're free. And he said, yeah, come get them. What? Awesome. So I went and picked them up, and I got them installed this last weekend. So Jeep looks a lot better now. And the second thing, this morning I'm on my way up to the dealership here in Coleman. I'm gonna see if they can get my death wobble looked at. I've got death wobble so bad right now, it's terrible. Parts and had them do an alignment while I was getting some other work done. And for whatever reason, ever since then, I've had death wobble. Terrible. Took it back to them. They tried to fix it. Didn't help. Man, I don't trust four-wheel parts anymore. So I'm going to take it up here to the dealership and see if I can get them to look at it, see if they can figure it out. And then also while I'm here, I'm going to see if I can get them to replace the steering box because of my, loose steering and all that kind of good stuff. And then my e-brake. I don't know about you guys, but my e-brake does not work. And I mean, it's gotten to the point where it literally does not hold the Jeep at all. So I'm going to get them to look at that too. All right, so the dealership called me back. They said, hey, we looked at your Jeep. We can fix your e-brake. The problem with your e-brake is the shoe. The e-brake shoes are all worn out. And that's on me. When I stop, I'm in a stick. I put the e-brake on every time I stop. It's force of habit. The issue with that is that in 4 low with 513s on my Jeep, I forget that the e-brake is on for some reason. And I have driven with the e-brake on for God knows how many times. So it's my fault. That's perfectly fine. But they're like, yeah, we can fix your e-brake shoes for $400. I said, what? No. Let's just hold off on that. I'll do that myself. So then they said, well, go ahead and fix your steering box. So that's great. So they've ordered parts, and I'm waiting on that to come in. And the issue with death wobble is the stabilizer. It's not the stabilizer, guys. It's not the stabilizer. He's like, well, I promise you, if you get the stabilizer, you won't notice a problem. Okay, how much is it? It's $250 for a Fox shock, not the factory one, because I've already done the factory replacement and I crushed it. So this is for the better version, or the Mopar Fox, whatever. So I said $250. I said, go ahead and do it. As soon as I get off the call, I go searching around, and no. I can get a really nice Fox through shock for $290. So I call the guy back and I said, no, dude, stop. Just do the steering box upgrade or whatever, and leave the other one alone, because I don't want to get or pay $250 for a Fox shock and it be still hanging down underneath like that. It's the worst design ever. It is just waiting to get smashed. So I'm going to wait on that altogether. And the guy was like, I mean, you know you're going to still have death wobble, right? Yes, I know I'm going to have death wobble. Part of it. So I'm going to wait until I have some funds, maybe with some tax return money, who knows, and I'll get it fixed then. Hey, thanks for watching. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.